Hello, my name is Patrick Webb, and in part 6 of the Chemistry of Plaster and Heritage Building, we're going to be considering the gypsum cycle as a follow-up to our general discussion on gypsum. The gypsum cycle is super simple, so let's jump into it. What we start with is the mineral gypsum. So I'll write that out. Both the common name, gypsum, and then its chemical formulation, which is a molecule of calcium sulfate attached to 2 molecules of water. Alright. So, in the processing of gypsum, we add heat. So that heat comes in the form of temperature around 150 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's what comes into the system. There can be different cooking temperatures, but that's a common one in the manufacturing process, so we'll stick with that. And what leaves the system is 75% of the H2O. And the resulting product is plaster of Paris. That's what I have on my French t-shirt in recognition. That results in a formula that is 2 parts calcium sulfate attached to 1 molecule of water. So basically the opposite of what we started with. Well, the cycle will continue, and what we add to the system here is water. The water chemically combines with the plaster of Paris, and the resulting product is gypsum. So, with a minimal amount of embodied energy, a minimal amount of heat, the gypsum plaster can be recreated without any kind of harmful off-gassing, just steam, and returns to its natural state of gypsum.